Hey, welcome to CDC and Binder Films, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a working movie theater in Minecraft. My trusty sidekick will help me throughout the day. So let's watch this movie.
1 blocks filled, 1 blocks filled, 84 blocks cloned, 1 blocks cloned, 6 blocks cloned, 8 blocks cloned, 11 blocks
I'll be teaching you how to do that, and if you
9 blocks
see
cloned,
anything on the left side of my
14
screen,
blocks cloned,
you might
13
get an
blocks
idea
cloned,
of what we're going to be
15
doing.
blocks cloned, 11 blocks cloned,
Come here,
15
trusty
blocks
sidekick.
cloned, 14 blocks cloned,
Okay,
15
so
blocks
what you're gonna
cloned,
need for this
63 blocks
is
cloned,
command
63 blocks cloned,
and
63 blocks
any type
cloned,
of colored
8 blocks cloned,
to create your movie.
41 blocks cloned,
So what
28
you're
blocks
gonna need to do is get any type of wool that's colorful. So let me just grab red and black. And so what you're going to need to do is figure out how big you want your movie screen. Mine just fits my movie screen my movie theater right here. So you're going to need to go as big as your movie screen. I'm just going to do something like this. And just say this is your moving screen. This will be your first slide on your show. And then what you're going to want to do is build like what you want right here as your next slide. Once you're almost done building this, if you want to continue your slide, like if it's just going from this to this, you want to place down a command block, go in here, put /clone. Then you need to figure out what your coordinates of your screen is. So I have my position thing on in the top left corner, and all you're gonna need to do is break the bottom corner and go right here, and that coordinates 42, 4, 36. You're gonna enter in for your next coordinates right here, 42, 4, 36. Then you just want to fill that back up and go into this corner, and and only dig 1 block down this time, where that one we stood up in it. And you're gonna want to remember that coordinates 42, 7, 42. So just enter 42, 7, 42. And then you're going to want to find the coordinates of the same place where you want to clone it. So you just clone it another block forward if you want. So 41, 4, 36. So you're going to put that in. 41, 4, 36. It might just look like a long line of numbers, but each pair of 3 numbers is a bottom or top coordinate on your grid. And for the last one, you only need the bottom left command. I'm pretty sure. Yes.
28 blocks cloned.
So once you have that good, you're gonna want to build whatever you want, like this, and then after you continue cloning and cloning, if this is my movie, and I want to clone it in this place here, in this area right here, and um, so you have an identical screen right here. And you're just gonna do this. You're gonna have to, first of all, break this. And you're gonna need to figure out the coordinates for all three of these and put them in command box. So this is my first slide, and that's my first slide number from over here. And then I have my second one, which goes here and just clones this screen right here into my movie theater. And then you just will run repeaters straight into each command block. My trusty sidekick is doing something weird. So you run each slide clone into each other. So once this clones on the screen, after that it will just go quickly
Cole
to
989
this,
says read this.
and it'll be 4 ticks. Okay. My sidekick wants me to read whatever he wants. Okay. So after you're done running into the last slide, if you want to do the end, you just need to build a blank slide that says the, and then on the other one it would say end. And then for this last one, last one actually is my starting screen. So if you want your screen to finish black like this one right here, you're going to need to build just a black screen at the beginning to start. And I think that's about it. Other than if you want to know if you want to know how to do this, I'll show you right about now. So now me and my sidekick will show you how to create this little button system. So you want to place down your button and put start button on here. And then you're going to want to go down and place in a command block and put some coordinates where you want your a couple blocks before you want your line of command blocks to start. So this spawns a redstone block right here. And if I go to that coordinates, if I can get up, that is right here. And once someone presses it, it'll spawn and goes into this one, which it says fill the coordinates where the redstone block was air. So that means after placing that, it'll power that and start a chain reaction through. And then this one will stop it so it doesn't just continue and the first slide plays for the whole time. And this is where your
Cole 989 says I'm going to
be. And now my sidekick will press it so you'll see the red
colon 1 blocks filled, colon 1 blocks filled, colon 84 blocks cloned, colon 1 blocks cloned, colon 6 blocks cloned, colon 8 blocks cloned, colon 11 blocks cloned, colon 9 blocks cloned, colon 14 blocks cloned, colon 13 blocks cloned, colon 15 blocks cloned, colon 11 blocks cloned, colon 15 blocks cloned, colon 14 blocks cloned, colon 15 blocks cloned, colon 6